to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about motorcycle accident lawyer. Okay, so what does a motor accident lawyer do after accident? Okay, now in this video I'm also telling about what does a motorcycle accident lawyer do after a accident. Okay, so guys, let's start. So let's start. First, I'll open the Chrome and search now about here motorcycle accident. Okay, what does a motorcycle accident lawyer do after accident? Okay, so now guys, search here. So now in this video I'm also telling about a motorcycle accident lawyer will know what information needs to be gathered and compiled to build a strong insurance claim. They will work to gather pictures from the scene, get copies of reports, take eyewitness statements, obtain medical records and more. Okay, so now let's start. I'm also telling about what does a motorcycle accident lawyer do. Okay, so a motorcycle accident lawyer is trained to deal with cases involving motorcycle accidents in the state of Florida. Okay, so the main responsibility of a motorcycle accident lawyer is to help injured riders with the compensation that they deserve. If you suffered injuries in a motorcycle crash, then you must seek legal representations as soon as possible. There are many drivers who behave negligently behind the wheel, and it is important that they are held accountable for their actions. The law place has a vast amount of experience representing motorcyclists and that have suffered serious injuries in an accident. We are here to protect our legal rights after a crash. Our team of motorcycle accident lawyers will explain the process to you and be at your side every step of the way. Our law firm will hold the negligent party liable for your personal injuries, pain and suffering, property damage and others losses caused by the crash. We will file a claim against the at-fault party's insurance company to recover the compensation that you deserve. If we are unable to reach an agreement, then we will be ready to take your case to court. Okay, do not hesitate to phone our office today to set up a free case evaluation in which a motorcycle accident lawyer will answer all of your questions about your cause and help you to understand your legal rights. Our phone lines are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Contact the law please now on this number. Okay, the role of motorcycle accident lawyer in Florida. It is important that you speak to a motorcycle accident lawyer immediately after an accident to understand your legal rights. In the state of Florida, motorcyclists are highly vulnerable and exposed on the road, which means that they are at serious risk of injuries in a collision. A motorcycle does not have any airbags or other safety mechanisms to absorb the shock of a crash like other vehicles do. After you or a loved one sustained injuries a motorcycle accident, then you are entitled to file a personal injury claim. So the law palace understands the type of damages that a motorcycle accident can cause, and we know that you will need compensation to assist with medical bills, pain and suffering, lost income and more. The best way for you to find out what compensation you might be eligible to receive is to discuss the detail of your case with an experienced motorcycle accident attorney from the law place. A skilled motorcycle accident lawyer will start your personal injury claim by conducting an independent investigation into the accident, determining liability and calculating the compensation that you are on. If a settlement cannot be reached, then a motorcycle accident lawyer will represent you in court to fight for the compensation that you deserve. Here are some of the key aspects that a motorcycle accident lawyer will handle. Okay, answer your questions. It is natural for a motorcycle accident victim to feel overwhelmed and uncertain of what to do following a crash. It is important and to feel comfortable to ask any question that comes to mind, and your motorcycle accident lawyer will be at your side to answer all of your questions and concerns in regard to your motorcycle accident case. Okay, so conduct an investigation. It is possible for more than one party to be liable for a motorcycle accident, and this is where a motorcycle accident attorney will help you in to conduct an independent investigation and determine who is responsible for paying compensation, calculate compensation, medical bills such as visits at the doctor, tests, surgeries, hospitalizations, and rehabilitations can accumulate very quickly. Lost wages also another important factor to consider when your motorcycle accident attorney is calculating the compensation that you are on. In addition, pain and suffering after an accident must be considered as well. Legal representation. Sometimes motorcycle accident claims cannot be resolved through trying to negotiate a settlement with an insurance company. That is why a motorcycle accident lawyer will be prepared to take your case to court in order to win the maximum amount of compensation for your injuries and others. Why are motorcycle claims complicated in Florida? Motorcycle accident can prove to be challenging cases mainly because a motorcycle crash tends to cause more severe injuries than any other type of motor vehicle collision. Liability can also be difficult to determine when it comes to motorcycle accidents. Okay, severe injuries can take a long time to calculate compensation for, which makes resolving a legal claim more complicated. Past, present, and future medical expenses, as well as your recovery rate, must be considered when it comes to negotiate a settlement. It is unusually a contested process, and you will need a motorcycle accident lawyer with skill to determine your compensation amount. Okay, insurance companies will be quick to contest liability after a motorcycle accident by claiming by claiming that you were at fault, offering you a low compensation amount. As a result, our team of motorcycle accident lawyer will not let any insurance company get away with manipulative tactics, and we will fight to win the compensation that you deserve no matter what you need to know about proving fault for a motorcycle accident. Okay, in order to be entitled to receive compensation following a motorcycle crash. I hope you also like this video. In this video I'm also telling about all things about motorcycle accident law. Inshallah we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.